In today's video, I'm going to teach you Asana tasks, how to assign copies of tasks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a single task and quickly create identical copies for multiple people, so everyone can work in parallel with their own checklist and due date. Start by opening your Asana workspace and heading to the project that contains the task you want to distribute. Make sure you have access to edit tasks in this project, since you'll be creating copies assigned to other people. Once you're in the project's list or board, find the task you want to replicate. This should be the source task with the name, description, due date, attachments, and any relevant details you want each person to receive in their own copy. Open the task's details pane so you can see everything on the right side of your screen. If it's not already open, click the task title to reveal the details. You'll see the assignee field near the top, along with the due date and other fields. Confirm the task looks the way you want the copies to look. It's much easier to finalize content now than to edit multiple tasks later. Click the Assignee field. Instead of reassigning the original task away from its current owner, you're going to use Asana's option to assign to multiple people. Choose the option that says Assign to multiple people. This tells Asana to create separate individual tasks for each person you choose. Each copy will carry over the task name and core details, and each person will be responsible for their own version. That way, progress and comments remain independent, and no one steps on someone else's work. Start adding people by typing their names or work email addresses. As you type, Asana will suggest matches from your organization. Select each person you want to include. Keep your list focused on the folks who truly need to complete the work, because each person will get their own task and notification. If someone isn't showing up, you can enter their email address, provided they have permission to join your workspace or project. When your list is ready, click Assign Task. Asana will instantly generate one copy per person and assign each copy to the right teammate within the same project. You'll see these appear in the project shortly, and each assignee will receive a notification so they can get started. That's it. You've turned one task into multiple trackable copies, perfect for onboarding checklists, standardized requests, or repeating steps across a group. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.